So in this video, so we are going to discuss the chapter 2, the growth of computers and software. Okay, so generally, so we discuss the growth of computers and what is the software of a computer, right? So we all already know that what is software, right? The software is not in the physical part of a computer, right? And the growth means the development of in a computer. So here we discuss how the computer is developed from the early age to now modern times. Okay, from ancient time to now modern times. So how the changes is coming in the computer system, so we will discuss here. So in these chapters we have to cover the topic like number systems, decimal number systems, binary number systems, octal number systems, hexadecimal number systems, and decimal to binary conversion. So in this chapter, so these topics we will discuss. First of all, we have to see what is number systems. So number system is just a counting of numbers. Okay, just simply a manner of counting. Okay, and we have different kinds of number systems. Like suppose we have a clock, right? So in clock, so clock have 24 hours, and each hours have 60 minutes, and each minute has 60 seconds. So similarly, right, computer has also a number systems. Okay, that is called binary system. So next is decimal number systems. So decimal number systems consistent digits from 0 to 9, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and the value of the digits depend on the weight and the positions of the digits. So in decimal number systems consist of digits which are located at the different positions. So the positions of the first digits on left side of the decimal point is 0, and the positions of the second digits towards the left side of the decimal point is 1. Similarly, the positions of the first digit towards the right side of the decimal point is -1, and the positions of the second digit towards the right side of the decimal point is -2, and so on. Okay, so इसका मतलब हमारे पॉइंट्स की जो है ना डेसिमल पॉइंट्स है ना, पॉइंट्स के लेफ्ट साइड पे जितने भी डिजिट्स होगा वो क्या रहेगा, पहला डिजिट रहेगा 0, उसका वैल्यू रहेगा 0, है ना, उसका पोजीशन क्या रहेगा 0, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वाला सेकंड वाला क्या रहेगा उसका 1, और तीसरे वाले का क्या रहेगा 2. तो इस तरह से हमारा जो पोजीशन डिजिट का पोजीशन जो है उस तरह से लोकेट कराएंगे. ठीक है, and the value of the number is determined by multiplying the digits with the weight of their positions and adding the results. So हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, वैल्यू ऑफ नंबर को कैसे निकालेंगे, हम क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे डिजिट्स को, है ना, डिजिट्स को किसके साथ, वेट ऑफ देयर पोजीशन, उसका जो वेट है उसके साथ हम क्या कर देंगे, इंटू कर देंगे, है ना, वेट ऑफ देयर पोजीशंस एंड एडिंग द रिजल्ट्स, और उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, रिजल्ट्स को ऐड कर देंगे, और इस मेथड को हम क्या कहते हैं, सो एक्सपांशन मेथड, एंड दिस मेथड इज कॉल्ड एक्सपांशन मेथड. ओके, and the rightmost digits of the numbers has the lowest weight, and this digit is called the least significant digit, and the leftmost digits of the number has the highest weight, and this digit is called the most significant digit, that is MSD. Okay, so suppose you haven't taken example 724, so 7 digit is the highest value, okay, and the 4 is the least value. Okay, you can say the 4 is the least significant digits and 7 is the highest significant digit. Okay, so this is the decimal number system. So next, binary number system. So the word binary comes from bi, meaning two, so bi का मतलब होता है दो, so this word is coming from the bi. Okay, and Suppose by, in other words, you can say the bicycle. Bicycle means two wheels, and binocular, so binocular, that is two eyes. Okay, and you might be thinking like that, why we studying so much about the number systems in a computer book? Yes or no? Yes, no? Because see, we know that the computer didn't understand the English language. Yes or no? So computers is basically made up by the small transistors, switches, and other components. Okay, and all these electronic components. Okay, and either they are switch on or off. Okay, so the binary digits represent these two states. Okay, and every instruction to the computer is whether into zeros or ones, so that is understood by the computer, and this language is known as machine language. Okay, and binary number is made up of only zeros and ones. Okay, so for example, 110100. So there's no 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 or 9 in binary. Okay, the last digit of the binary number is 1, and the number is odd, which is 1 is odd. Okay, if the binary number is ends with 0, okay, then the number is even. Got it? For example, 101. Okay, so this number represents the odd numbers, that is suppose 13. Okay, and 10010 represents the even number, that is 18. Okay, how we know that? Because we have to see the last digit. We already discussed that in last digit, if we have 1, that number represents odd number. If the last digit is 0, then that means that this number represented by the even numbers. Base of binary numbers is 2. Okay,